Hi everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Got a treat for you today. It's unboxing day today. Although to be honest, I've had this a week, this box, and I've not opened it. I've not really been in the mood. So sorry about that. Sorry to disappoint you. But let's get to it now, shall we? Lots of goodies, which I hope you'll enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And here we go. So this is my second attempt, by the way. Just at the side of here is the trackpad for the computer I'm recording on. And I have to catch it. In fact, let me move the mouse off the stop recording button, because that's what happened before and I didn't notice. So some of the things are already open. Well, most of it's already open actually, because I was just at the end. Anyway, here we go. So this is the basket weave and metallic ribbon combo pack. I don't have any mint macaron ribbon, so this is gorgeous. I actually enjoy using this. Copper ribbon. Copper is my nickname as a kid was Copper Knob, which gives you an idea of the colour of my hair then. Sadly no longer. But yeah, this is beautiful ribbon. I'll put that up there. Next thing is going to be a sweet, or actually only part of a sweet, if I'm honest, because I didn't really like all of it. But it's the dragonflies. I love dragonflies. There was a dragonfly Stampin die set a year or so ago, and that went in right. That was the first thing on my pre-order, as was this. So, on the top are some ladybug trinkets. These are so cute. Get one out, and let's see if I can get the camera to zoom in for you. Over there, down a bit. I feel like the golden shot. There you go. Is that not adorable? So we have those. We have some braided linen trim in Mossy Meadow. Beautiful. We have some DSP. If I just hold up the coordinating colours, you can pause the video and see. There we go. And then I'll give you a quick breeze through. As you can see, they repeat. So one. I think the punch will cut these out, or my scan and cut certainly will. So yeah, beautiful. Ideal for backgrounds, these. Oh, look, there's bumblebees. Cute, cute, cute. And I think we're back to the start again. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, and so that'll be 24 designs. 48 sheets, so 4 sheets of each design. Okay, with that is the Dragonfly Garden stamp set and punch. It's a double punch, large and small dragonfly. There's no stamp for the small dragonfly, unless there's one on the DSP you could use it for. But you could use it to cut it out of foil card or ordinary cardstock, just to kind of fill a gap in. But the stamp set is our red rubber, top quality red rubber, which Stampin' of course is renowned for. And there we go. So that was that. Bundles. This bundle is called gift wrapped, as you can see, comes with a punch. The punch cuts out these large bows and the little tag there. It also cuts out a little top bit there. Oh, there we go. Which you can put on top of the ribbon in a coordinating colour, so it gives it more of a double-sided ribbon kind of thing, or I don't know, whatever you want to do. So we'll put that there. Next one is another bundle. This is from the new January-June catalogue, which you can order from in the first week of January. Sweet strawberry, and the punch. That's more like it. You can see it. You can see it there, can't you? As you can see, it will punch out the flower, the large flower, the strawberry, the large leaf, and the small cluster of leaves. And you can do this with. You can, if you want to, you can cut out like a die kind of thing out of some thick cardstock, place the stamps in the cardstock, put your block on top, and then when you stamp, your punch will match what you've stamped. Today's top tip. But look at that, that's lovely, that is. I got some freebies because it's celebration. As a Stampin' Up demonstrator, we get to pre-order. We can do some projects now in readiness for the catalogue going live. One of the ones I got the chance to order 3 freebies. I've got 2 there's 2 different tiers. There's a £45 tier, which this stamp set is here, He or Your Heart. This is beautiful. We're in this together. I can't promise to always fix your problems, but I can promise you won't ever face them alone. That is delightful. I can feel a tear in my eye, seriously. That is so, so beautiful. Sorry for your loss. I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, I suspect this is a stamp set I'll be keeping even when it retires. Yeah, because it's going to be so useful. There's another tier, which is the £90 tier. So, and I got this. Now this, Berry Blessings, it's a stamp set, as you can see, 2-step stamping. Okay, wishing you the very best. Little play on words there. Bountiful blessings, lovely. Now this coordinates. This is something Stampin' Up have been doing recently, actually, and I applaud it. This was a bundle, and if your order was up to £90 without shipping, this could be your freebie, and it matches with this. What's not to like, So that's the stamp set, and the DSP. You can see I'd already recorded this, so it's open. This is the DSP. Beautiful, isn't it? I know these are probably blueberries, but they also look like sloe berries as well, for which you used to make gin. Oh, that's lovely. I've seen that pattern before in a retired paper. Gorgeous, isn't it? There we go. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I've enjoyed showing you these goodies. I shall now put them away in their proper places and begin using them, which is what we're supposed to do. You know, we are supposed to use our craft materials, not hoard them. So, whatever you're doing today, I hope you have a lovely time, and I will speak to you all again soon. Bye.